What's up beautiful people, this is Sibir. Welcome to my YouTube channel Viofo A Lens, and this differently looking device that you see in my hand is the Viofo A119 car camera. Viofo is definitely known for its reputed name and delivering quality products in the market. This specific model has got all the features that most of the drivers are looking out there. So without any further ado, let's get into the feature list of this device and its capabilities. Just a quick disclaimer guys, this video is not sponsored by Viofo. I have been using this device for over a year now and I bought this with my hard-earned money. So this is an unbiased review and my own opinion on this device after using it rigorously for a year now. This specific device was launched back in July 2016 and is an update to its predecessor A118. I personally bought this device in the year 2018 when I was about to do my Ladakh road trip. Captured the entire road trip with this camera and I must say the results were quite impressive. Viofo has definitely done something very great with this device at this price point. It comes with great video quality, warning notification, sturdy design, and the most important part is the capacitor design. Most of the devices that I've seen in the market, they come with the lithium-ion battery, which is not good in the long run. Talking about its design, it comes in all black color and it has got 5 buttons on it. The first button is power button, the second button is menu button, then comes the record button, the emergency button and the mic mute or mute off button. It comes with the f1.8 glass lens, which is very effective when recording. You can also adjust the camera to the left, to the center and to the right. You can definitely move it up and down to adjust the camera angle as per your needs. Moving on to the sides of the camera, it comes with the micro USB charging point, AV point, the heat vent cutouts, the memory card slot and the reset button. It has also got this very effective design which gives you a very good grip if you're trying to unmount it. Moving on to the flip side of the camera, you get this quick release mount and this slot to connect your GPS. You can buy the GPS by paying a couple of rupees more, and mind you, this GPS is not to give you directions but to track your location and also the speed. So talking about the overall build quality of this camera, it is pretty good and it reassures you with the quality material it's been made of. Couple of other things that this camera comes with are 2 extra mount with 3M tape on it, clips to secure the cord, a USB cord. It also comes with a 10 feet USB cord which you can use it in your car, and that's it. Now I have gone ahead and spent a couple of ₹100 more to get this anti-glare lens for the camera. This helps avoid the unnecessary light hitting my camera lens and creating that glare effect. Installation of this device is fairly easy. You just need to peel off the 3M tape, put it on the windshield and connect the USB wire. Now moving on to one of the most important component of this device is this 2-inch LCD screen. The screen itself is very sharp and clear to read. You can see bunch of information on the screen like GPS information, the recording time, the resolution it is shooting at. The device itself is ready to use straight out of the box, but there are a couple of settings that you may want to change as per your preference. You may want to change the date and time information, the resolution it is shooting at, the loop recording time. The other one of the best feature about this device is this red LED indicator. When the light is continuously on, that means the device is recording, and when continuously blinking red, that means the device is not recording and you may want to check on the device. The second very good feature is this emergency button. Now say for example, if you want to save this clip and you don't want it to get overridden, you can simply press this button and it will get saved in a separate folder. I believe you can leave rest of the setting as default as the device performs well when left at the default settings. Now talking about the way it sits on your windshield, it is very unnoticeable, very sleek, and it is very helpful for those parking lots recording and police interactions. Now moving ahead to the video quality, Viofo A119 is one of the best budget cameras. The maximum resolution it records at is 2560 to 1440p. Talking about the daytime recording, it is very sharp and clear because of its 20 megabits per second bitrate. It is quite easy and effective at capturing the registration plate or the license plate for the fastly moving vehicles. The overall day video quality is very good, but at times it overexposes the video because of its slow adaptive nature. And now talking about the night videos, it does a fantastic job in the city lighting conditions and you can easily read the registration or license plate number. There is a very less noise and it does the job well. I have also tested the camera in different weather conditions. As I have done a road trip from Mumbai to Ladakh and back to Mumbai, it has gone through some rigorous climatic change and it has performed absolutely fine. And the credit goes to the capacitor design as compared to the lithium-ion battery. The capacitor used can bear up to 65 degrees Celsius of heat and manages the heat very well as compared to the lithium-ion battery, and that is purely the upside for this camera. It also comes with the inbuilt microphone, which is pretty average, and I'll give you the example of it.
This is the Viofo A119 mic test. Check 1 2 3 1 2 3.
Now talking about the record time, you get 3.5 hours on 32 gigabytes of memory card, 6.5 hours approximately on 64 gigabytes of memory card, and it definitely also supports the 128 gigabytes of memory card with the record time of 14.5 hours. Now before I give my conclusion on this device, I would like to highlight one important feature of which I am a big fan of. Every time you remove the memory card from this device to watch the videos or insert a new card, it will ask you to format the memory card. An improperly formatted memory card is a big issue for such devices. It might annoy the experienced users, but in my opinion, Viofo has done a good job. You must choose the right memory card and not only the right camera. As it has got loop recording, you need to make sure you buy a good high resistance memory card. I have bought this Samsung Evo Plus 64GB card. Choose your memory card wisely so that it doesn't get corrupted. To conclude this video, I think Viofo has done a very good job when it comes to the build quality, the reliability, the functionality of this device. At this price point, I don't think any other device would be as competitive till date as Viofo is. So, what do you think about this device? Would you put your money on this? If you ask me personally, this is one of the best devices till date. And if you want a bit more, you can spend your money on Viofo A119 version 3, which has got a couple of more features and better resolution. And finally, I hope this video was informative and you guys liked it. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.